Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set a password on iPhone and iPad. In the age of smartphones, where our devices can hold extremely vital information about us, it's very important to take security seriously. That's why you should password protect your Apple device. There are 3 ways to protect your device. Depending on your device, you have the option of Face ID, Touch ID, or password. In this video, we will be adding password protection. To do this, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Tap Turn Passcode On. Enter a 6-digit passcode. Or tap Passcode Options to switch to a 4-digit numeric code or a custom numeric code or a custom alphanumeric code. Your device will require your passcode when you do the following: turn on or restart your device, press the home button or swipe up to unlock your device, update your software, erase your device, view or change passcode settings, and install iOS configuration profiles. Using passcodes might be a minor inconvenience, however, it comes with a great price of security. Do you prefer 4-digit, 6-digit, or alphanumeric passwords? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.